Hi everyone, welcome you back to my YouTube channel. I sincerely thank you all for your support and inspiration. Keep supporting me and my YouTube channel with all your likes, shares and subscription as usual to help me make more interesting videos in future. My dear friends and subscribers, in this video, I have some interesting updates to share with you all. Yes, it is all about one kind of a place situated in the state of Odisha, India, that surprises me the most. Well, on my way back from Cuttack to Bhubaneswar, just after my brief visitation to Odisha State Maritime Museum located at Joba, Cuttack, Desya, along with my most honorable and kind-hearted host, Rotarian Bibhu Prasid Swain, the founder of Kalinga International Youth Foundation, an organization that hosted the most famous Purbayan 2023, an international conference based on a vital theme, India and Southeast Asia, commemorating and reviving maritime trade, civilization and cultural linkages. A 3-day conference that was held at the beautiful temple city of Bhubaneswar, Odisha, Desya. Well, my friends, while enjoying a long highway drive with him and his team, and in a course of our informal chit-chat on wheels, the host and my other Odisha friends did talk and mention something about the word second wife. The two words that I just knew randomly, having no specific clue of what they are talking about. Undoubtedly, deep in my mind, silently I'm thinking that they were or maybe just talking or gossiping about someone's second wife. Being a sensible human like we all did, I know, I was a bit suspicious-minded all along the journey. But trust me, on reaching halfway, we did stop since we were all hungry, and then they have decided to take me and one of my special invited guests and a Purbayan, a worthy from Bangladesh, for a lunch. But to my surprise, believe me, they had taken us to a place and one restaurant bearing the funniest name, Second Wife Kitchen. And only after reaching that place, then I started realizing the hidden fact behind the issue, that the second wife that they had just mentioned is neither a second wife nor a first wife to anyone but to everyone. It is nothing but just a name that correlates to a non-vegetarian restaurant. Indeed, that sounds quite hilarious, I mean. So Second Wife Kitchen is a famous dine-in non-vegetarian restaurant located at Rasalkha in Bhubaneswar. It was rated with 3.8 stars based on 1,000 reviews from its clients. The restaurant's ambience is quite simple, cozy and homely, offering a homely service to every foodies. The whole experience of me in both outdoor and indoor of the Second Wife Kitchen is simply awesome and fantastic. It makes me feel truly homely, with a good feelings of having food in a homely village hut far away from the main city. Yes, the menu or the food that was serving here is quite authentic and worth a price. The restaurant food is homemade sort of a taste, cooked in a traditional chulha in which every taste buds can feel the genuineness of it. Well, nothing is compromised here at Second Wife restaurant, be it the food quality and the taste, the food presentation, the ambience, the owner's involvement, staff gestures, quality assurance, value for money and many more that could satisfy the foodies like me at its best. So just in case if any one of you, my friends or subscribers, happen to be in the city of Bhubaneswar anytime, any day in the future for a fun tour or any business trip, I would just like to recommend you not to fail a visit to the Second Wife Kitchen. And I'm pretty sure that you will surely thank me for the recommendation of such restaurant. Let me share with you my personal experience on my visit to this place through this short video. As they say, seeing is believing. So here it goes, and watch the video till the end. Welcome to YouTube channel Aloysius Papa.
Feel this food, what do you
I really feel great. You know what happened when you and Madam are talking about second wine.
Yeah.
I was a little bit dirty-minded, very suspicious. I thought they're talking about probably a second wife unless I reached this place.
Yeah.
So when I saw the second wife kitchen, so I started thinking that he's talking about, because you know we all believe that wife always cook the best
food,
home food at home. So since this restaurant will become the second home for every commuters, customers, so I think the concept is very good.
Yeah.
So I'm very happy that you could serve us all this traditional cuisine.
In veg and in non-veg.
Veg and non-veg. So I just wanted to know, like, if Madam could tell us something about this is the
Chicken. The handi chicken. The mati handi chicken.
Okay, mati.
Handi.
Mati handi
That means the
chicken.
mati cook in a
Yes.
the chicken cook in a mati pot.
Mati pot.
So what about this? Is
Mati handi mutton. Mati
Yes.
handi mutton. Mutton cooked in the
But I like the most is this is a sweet chutney.
Achha, sweet
It
chutney.
is made out of what?
tomato.
Tomato and sugar.
So what is sugar?
Very
And
tasty.
chili.
And what about this? Is it a kind of
Sago
Salad,
mugo.
salad.
Sago mugo.
is it palak, right? So it is cooked with what?
Moong ka to.
Moong ka dal. Sag muk.
And what about this? This is the gravy of mutton
gravy.
Mutton gravy. And this is the
Paneer.
Paneer,
but this
paneer.
is not traditional.
This is not
Paneer-
traditional, but this
paneer
is not
not,
traditional. Beside,
So this cannot be. This should be excluded. But anyway,
Okay,
we'll
okay.
add on.
Chili means
Bhaja,
morich.
cover me. I will say, oh, wow.
Yummy.
It is very tender, soft, and very tasty. Yummy. Let me try the chicken. Leave it, man. I'll just take one piece and then. Yummy.
Thank
So we
you.
have a good time, and we really have a very tasty ethnic Odisha cuisine. We all like it. In second, why? So don't think otherwise. It's the name of the restaurant. Thank you and enjoy your lunch. Okay.
Thank you. Last message I did video. Last copy.
Can you play the video now?
So Amit Hilwaji's second wife.
Okay. What do you say?
I said, why these people are gossiping about that gentleman, second wife? So the masala using are all local.
All local masala.
Thanks folks for watching, but never forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you and have a great time ahead. Stay blessed as always.